Now I will be presenting my audience. Hello, my name is Damaje. Today I will be discussing how to become a lawyer and the keys to success. The reason I chose this topic is because I wanted to be a lawyer when I was young. I have done extensive research and talked to numerous lawyers. Today I will be informing you about the steps to become a lawyer, how you can get ready in high school, the education needed, important qualities, and the different types of laws. Now that you are aware, let us begin. The first thing we're going to get into is the steps to become a lawyer. According to lawed.org, the first step is completing a under pre-law major. But the pre-law major is not specified. Although it is recommended that you take these majors: human nature, history, communications, political science and government, business, economics, and psychology. The second step is taking the LSAT, Law School Administration Test. This test is a very important test and get into a ABA approved law school. This test will test you on your skills in reading comprehension, analyzing, reasoning, and logical reasoning. Fun fact is that you can take this test on CSN Cheyenne campus. The third step is getting into law school. It is very important that you use the Law School Administration Council Criteria Assembly Service, the CAS, when you apply for administration to any ABA accredited law school. You must graduate from an ABA approved law school under the rules of the state bar. You must have a Juris Doctor degree from a ABA approved law school to take the bar exam. The fourth step is to take the bar exam. The bar exam is one of the hardest tests in the world. It is a long list of eligibility to take the test. You also go through a very extensive background check. Fun fact, the pass rate for the bar exam is very low. The fifth step is to get admitted into the bar association. You must pass the bar test. Once you are admitted, you can get perks like discount on rental cars. But to keep your needed to complete 10 hours of continuous legal education each year. Now that we have covered that, let us begin talking about education. Let us talk about the education for a lawyer. As claimed by legalcareerpath.com, the education for a lawyer requires you must complete an undergrad degree. You must also keep above a 3.0 GPA. Let's talk about how much school it takes to become a lawyer. There is a total of 7 years. The first 4 years is your undergrad degree. Then the 3 years are of law school with various vigorous tasks. Now I will talk about the tests you need to take. The first test you need to take is the LSAT. The LSAT is a law school administration test. The other test is the bar test. The bar test is how you can practice law in a state. According to most of the lawyers I have talked to, the best subject to take is English. Now I'm going to talk about the 3 top places to get a law degree. The first one is Yale University. This is their logo. The second one is Stanford. Stanford is actually the university of my choice I would like to go to if I chose law. As a kid, I always wanted to go to Harvard Law School because I heard it was the best law school ever. Now let us cover how you can get ready to become a lawyer in high school. Let's begin talking about getting a head start. As mentioned by Colvin.com, how you can get ready in high school. First, you find out what lawyers do. Research the different types of law. When you are in high school, you can apply to a law firm to work as an intern. These are just a few ways to get a head start on your law career. Now we have discussed that, let us talk about the qualities that will help your law career. So we are going to talk about important qualities if you want to become a lawyer. As reported by BLS.gov, there are 6 important qualities. The first is analyzing skills. Lawyers help their clients resolve problems and issues. As a result, they must be able to analyze large amounts of information, determine relevant facts, and possible solutions. The second one is interpersonal skills. Lawyers must win the respect and confidence of their clients by building a trust relationship so the clients feel comfortable enough to share information related to their case. The third one is problem-solving skills. Lawyers must separate their emotions and prejudice from their client's problem and objectively evaluate the relevant applicable information. The fourth skill is research, which is needed to be able to find those laws and regulations which applies to specific matters in order to provide the appropriate legal advice to their clients. The fifth skill is speaking. Lawyers must be able to clearly present and explain their case to adversaries, mediators, absiding parties, judges, or jury because they are speaking on the behalf of their client. The final important quality is writing skills. Lawyers need to be precisely and specific when preparing documents such as wills, trusts, and power of attorney. Last but not least, let's talk about the different types of law. As specified by learntobecome.org, there's business law that deals with things such as federal income taxation, bankruptcies, and many more financial things. Intellectual property law, this is concerned with trademark, patent, and copyrights. Criminal law, most of you should be aware of what this is. Someone commits a crime. That's what criminal law is. Those are just a few. There are a couple more, but we won't be discussing them today. In conclusion, we have discussed how to become a lawyer and the keys to success as a lawyer. I hope that you have learned some tips and keys to become a lawyer. Thank you for your time.